Very good morning, students. In our topic Children and Women in Sports and Motor Development in Children in Different Stages, we have discussed already early childhood, middle childhood, and now today we are going to discuss about the late childhood. This age group, middle childhood, ends at age of 10 years, and this next, when the child crosses in 11th year of age, his third stage started, that is late childhood. In this period, age begins at 11 year and ends at 12 year or 13 year or till the beginning of puberty. The meaning of puberty means heading towards the maturity. Some symptoms of this comes in case of boys. Start growing little bit, upper lip becoming little bit blackish, means mustache hairs starts appearing at this age, or puberty hair start coming under the armpit and all. And in case of girls, they puberty hair appears in the armpits as well as they leads to menstruation cycle. This is the sign of late childhood. And class regarding this, when you are in 6th class, 7th, 8th, this is the period of this age group. Now second ability, that is strength. Strength increases rapidly. In this age, comparison to previous middle age group, strength children will start expressing more in this age. Next feature of this age group, boys and girls are able to compete evenly. Evenly means let it be boys or girls, both are having good competitive spirit and competition between themselves. There is no after this age group, difference of biological changes take place. Up to this period, they are able to compete together. The next feature, most of the children master most intricate or complex motor skills. Some complex nature of skills and all, exercises, combination exercises and all, they are able to learn easily. Next, they are ready to learn strategies or more complex combination. Different type of game strategies, by seeing the opponent's performance. Sometimes during the game we have to change the strategy to win the game, and they are enough capable at this age to have different strategies as well as a complex combination of play when matches are going on. Next is physical movement like jumping, running develop at faster rate. In this age group, there is rapid development in the physical activity movements like jumping even early age group also they do, middle age group, but here all refined way you will find their running as well as other physical activities. Physical movements increases. Then next one, coaches or physical education teachers must give more attention on these children regarding coaching and all, and they should encourage the children to learn more and more skills. Means they should take precaution that they should not get injury, and this is the age group they can develop their skills. Maximum skill development chances are there in this age, and this age only decide the future athlete. So these are the features of late childhood. Now different stages of growth and development features we have discussed, and in our next lecture we are going to discuss about the factors affecting motor development. What are the factors which influence your motor development? That will be in the next lecture. Again, very good morning and have a healthy day.